Welcome to Metathesis. Students, today I am going to discuss about carbon and its compound of chemistry. It's a very important chapter for you. So let's start. What type of bonds forms by carbon? Carbon forms covalent bonds. What is allotropy? Elements which exist, इसका अस्तित्व होता है in two or more different forms known as allotropy. Name the allotropes of carbon. Carbon का 3 allotropes होता है. Carbon has 3 allotropes such as diamond, graphite and fluorescence. What is catenation? Please pay attention. It is very important. What is catenation? Carbon has the unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon and forms large molecules. This property of carbon is known as catenation. Define saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Compounds of carbon having single bond between the carbon atoms called saturated carbon compounds. Compounds of carbon having double or triple bond between the carbon atoms are called unsaturated carbons compound. What are hydrocarbons? A compound which contains only carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons? Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Example, methanol CH4, ethane CH3, single bond CH3. What are alkanes? Unsaturated hydrocarbons with one or more double bonds are called alkanes. Example, ethane CH2 double bond CH2. Take the screenshots. What are alkynes? Unsaturated hydrocarbon with one or more triple bonds, इसमें 1 या 3 are called alkynes. जैसा ethyne CH triple bond CH. What would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide which has the formula shoot? So for this you have to see the screenshot which I will take later on. What does carbon form? A large number of compounds. Very important question है. Carbon इतना compounds क्यों बना देता है? Carbon forms a large number of its compounds. इसका reason क्या है? Because as catenation, carbon shows the property of catenation. That is the ability to form bonds with other carbon atoms forming large chains, both branched and unbranched chains, and even rings also. Tetravalency, carbon has valency 4, so it is capable of bonding with 4 other carbon atoms. Similarly, isomerism. Carbon compounds show the property of isomerism. That is, compounds having same molecular formula होता है, but different क्या होता है? Structural formula. That is isomerism. What would be the formula and electron dot structure of cyclopentane? Students, it will clear from screenshot which I will take later on. I am taking the screenshot. Please see. What is esterification reaction? The reaction in which alcohol reacts with carboxylic acid to produce a new compound called ester, and the process is known as esterification. What is hydrophilic? The substance showing attraction towards water is called hydrophilic. What happens when ethanol burns in air? Ethanol burns in air to form carbon dioxide and water. Distinguish between the clearing action of soap and detergent. Soaps are sodium salt of the long chain of carboxylic acid. Detergent are generally sodium salts of long chain of sulfonic acid. Similarly, soaps are not suitable for hard water. It forms insoluble scum. Detergents do not form insoluble scum with hot water. Soaps are prepared from fats or vegetable oils. Detergents are not prepared from fats or vegetable oils. Soap is biodegradable. Detergent is not biodegradable. Taking the screenshot, what is homologous series? Give one example. Homologous series is a series of compounds having same functional group and same chemical properties. Example, CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH differ by single CH2 groups. Is saponification. It is a reaction in which an ester reacts with alkali solution to form a compound called soap. CH3, COOH, C2H5 that is ester plus NOH that is sodium hydroxide क्या आता है CH5 COOH Na sodium ethanol plus C2H5OH that is ethanol. Explain isomerism. State any four characteristics of isomers. Draw the structure of possible isomers of butane C4H10. Isomerism is a phenomenon due to which some compounds have same molecular formula but different structural formula. Characteristics: first, they differ in structural formula. Second, they differ in melting points. Third, they differ in boiling points. Fourth, they differ in solubility in same solvent. Screenshot, please. Two isomers are butane, C4H10, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. That is N-butane. Second, CH3 single bond, CH single bond, CH3. CH के साथ single bond CH3. It will be clear from screenshot. Next, what is the environmental impact of excess use of detergents? The excess use of detergents का क्या impact है, असर है? The detergents are non-biodegradable and pollutes water, thereby killing many aquatic life creatures. As a whole, ये क्या कर देता है? Environment को pollute कर देता है. अच्छा, next जो है, there are some questions, but it will be clear from screenshot. So I request all of you to see the screenshot, please. I'm taking the screenshot. Simply screen.